Hello guys, my name is Jay and you're welcome to Jay the Code. In this video, we're talking about file handling in Python. So sit back, relax and enjoy the code. In Python file handling, there are four basic things you need to know. You need to know how to create a file which has an initial of X. You need to know how to write a file which has a mode of W. You need to know how to update a file which has a mode of A. And you need to know how to read a file which has a mode of R. So in this video, we are going to create a file. We are going to write on the file we've created, then update the file, and finally we are going to read the file we've created. So let's create a file. First of all, let me comment this out so it doesn't give us an error. Creating a file. So in creating a file, we're going to use the with keyword with the open function. Now the open takes some parameters, takes the file we are opening and the mode at which we are opening the file. So in this case, we are opening the file. I want to give the file a name, which is basic.txt. It's a text file, but we can also open a Word document which is docx, or even a PDF file which is .pdf. But in this video, we are working on text file, so we're giving it txt. So we're opening the file for creation, which is the mode of x. We're going to use the x mode because we are creating a file, and we are going to save it in a variable named file. So if I print this out, I'll put an F string and say the file has been created. Let's put it file.name so the name appears, the name of the file appears. So if I run this out, the file is going to say this file has been, the basic.txt has been created. Yeah, you can see it here. If I open the file, it's going to be an empty text file. If I also check my PC, it will be there. Let's see. Okay, look at it here. This is my native text editor, and it's an empty file because we have not yet written anything on this file. So let's write on the file and see how it looks like. So now let's write on this file. So first of all, let me comment this out so it doesn't give us an error. Writing a file. So in writing a file, I want to also use the with keyword with the open function. Remember, we are opening the basic.txt, and we are opening the file for writing, which has the mode of W. And remember, the variable is file. So as file, so we're going to say file.write. So what are we writing on in this file? Let's see. This is a Python file handling video. Let's create a new line. Kindly sit back, relax, and enjoy the code. So if I run this out now, put a space here. If I run this out now, let's run it and see. Process finish with exit code 0 means that the file ran without any error. So if I check the basic.txt, you can see this is a Python file handling video. Kindly sit back, relax, and enjoy the code. Yeah, this is it. So we've created the file and we've written on the file we've created. Let's try and update the file. Let me first of all comment it out so it doesn't give us an error. Then we are updating the file. So we're going to use the with keyword with the open function. And remember, we are opening the basic.txt and opening it for writing. We're going to use the mode A, which stands for append. We are appending the file because we're trying to update the file. We cannot use the W key, the W mode, which stands for writing, because it's going to delete the already existing content. But we are trying to preserve that content. That's why we're using the mode A, which helps us to just update the file without deleting the previous content in the file. So we're going to now say file.write, and we are writing like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Python videos. Create a new line and say thank you. Let's put a new line in front so it doesn't, let me comment this. Let's put a new line in front so it doesn't join the already existing. So if I run this and check the basic.txt, you can see like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Python videos. Thank you. Let me check my native text editor and see what it shows. Let's open it. Now you can see like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Python videos. That's it. Now let me show you the difference between the append mode and the write mode. Now, if I comment the append section out and I remove the comment on the write section and I run this code, if I run this code, let's see what's going to happen. Check my basic.txt file. You can see that it has removed the updated version and it has deleted every content of that file and rewritten the content. That is what the write mode does. But if I comment back this write mode and I remove the comments of the append mode and I run this code, you can see that the append updates the file. It doesn't delete the already existing content, just updates the file. So that's the difference between the write and the append. Now let's read a file in Python. Now we'll say read a file. So I want to name a variable named file, which is equals to the open function. We are opening the basic.txt and I'm opening this file for reading, which has the mode R. I'm going to print file.read. If I run this code, it's going to bring out every element in that file. Look at this, is Python. It gives you all the contents in that file. Now in file handling, there's something called the read line and the read lines. The read line gives you the first line of the, look at it, this is a Python file handling video. It gives us the first line of the content of the file. But if I put read lines, it gives us all the content as an attribute in a list. Look at it. It comes out as an attribute in a list. So you can just read it out as an attribute in a list. You can break the list down, or you can just use the for loop. You can say for line in file print line. So if I run this, we are going to get all the content again once more. Look at it. This is how it looks like. You can see that in this code, I did not use the with keyword. Now, because I did not use the with code, I have to manually close the file. Now, how do I do that? I will just do file.close. Then I'll print file.close to show us if the file is closed. Let me change this back to read line so it doesn't. Now let's run it. This is okay. It's going to equate to true. This true means that the file has been manually closed. But with the with keyword, you don't need to close the file manually. The file automatically closes with the with keyword. So that is it about file handling. We've created the file, we've written on the file, and we've updated the file. Then we read the file. So if you like this video, kindly like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much.